in the car. We're just waiting for you, and then we're going to be making our way and see what go on. You're right, mate. Cheers, mate. Nice one. See you later.
Jamaica, Jamaica! He's sitting on my shoes.
Huh?
What's in? What?
Don't squash Theo's shoes as he keeps going on about.
I got a key anyway, sweetheart. I don't know.
And juicy patty.
No, I didn't get any juicy patty. I just got two. I got a ting, a water, and I got a couple of bags of crisps and an extra. But that was like $8.40 or something.
What, £8?
No, $8.40. Like
Can we eat it? Yay! What have you got? Oh!
There you go, guys.
You own.
Enjoy.
What does it say?
Wait a minute. Because you got. Here you go. You're not, are you? Do you want a crisp? Well then stop crying. Pull yourself together. Otherwise I'll give it back to Daddy.
there's no juicy patty.
Oh, is there not? Even though it says sold here. Right. It'll be well soft. Alright, Melly. We really are out in country, aren't we?
That's fine. No, that'll be fine. Trust me. Promise you. Absolutely fine. Anyway, so did I. I was like, if anything, we could just get like a fry.
Good news. We found a place to live. Yay! Yeah, we found a place to live. So we went to go view the property, 1-bedroom flat.
We went to KFC.
We did go to KFC.
They come too.
Miss V did come too.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've had a really good day. Ground floor of someone's house.
So it's a detached guest house, but it's not really a guest house, it's a flat. So it's got like a kitchen diner, which is quite big, like a good sized kitchen diner, good sized kitchen, decent, good size like living area, and it has a good sized bedroom and an ensuite bathroom, but there's no bath actually. So
Wait a minute. Can Melly just have this bottle for a second?
No, she comes.
So yeah, it's just perfect really for what we want.
Yeah.
And we got it
And yeah, it's got a nice amount of space outside for the children to run around. There's a nice protective wall, there's gates, there's grills on the windows, most of the windows. There's a garage for us to park the car, so it's a really nice space.
Yeah, it's decent, it's good.
With good people.
So it's a little bit out of the way and not where we want it to be, right? But it's easily commutable to where we need to be. So it's like 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes in rough traffic, right? top banana. Do you know what I mean? Cut it out, man.
Okay.
So it's about an hour away from our plot,
Our land.
our land. Okay, so we probably only need to get onto the land like once, if not twice a week during the next 6 months to a year. We could have got somewhere even closer, but we like,
But
you know what I
for
mean?
everything,
Ideally,
for the size it is, for the money it is, for the location, you know, it's
it ticks
good.
all the boxes.
It is good.
doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. I feel very blessed, very happy that
Miss V,
Miss V, my
Our connection.
uncles,
Aunt V, Auntie V.
she saved us, and we're very
she's
grateful.
our hero.
Absolutely.
And it just goes to show that, you know, look, people are the most important things, and like around you. It's about like who can actually help you and who wants to help you, and not in a manipulative way. Basically, what I'm saying is that community and family and friends is the most important thing, easily.
Yeah.
And like this, we were basically.
We were going to sleep in a car.
Yeah,
And
to be honest, it was looking very dicey, and I was feeling the pressure. It was going to be one of those crunch time moments, like, right, this is it. We're going to have to find a car and then literally sleep in a car in the streets of Jamaica somewhere, which, no lie, that was literally our only, boiling it down to our only option.
But yeah, thankfully she managed to call her friend who, had a place available.
The plan was to come first week or two, secure a place to stay, get a car.
That's next on the list.
Do the tax, do the NIS. So we've done most of those things, right? Apart from getting a car, doing the tax. Tomorrow we're going to have to do the tax, so we're going to go to the tax office. We're going to have to get up early. You got to get there for 7:30, remember?
Yeah, we've got to get that you got to get there before it opens. Pretty much.
Basically.
I think it opens at 8:30, so we'll probably get there for 8. And
we need to get there for 7:30.
No, I don't think you need to get there that early.
That's what we were told by your uncle.
Okay, all right then. Get there for 7:30 and take it from there.
So plan A is now back on the cards. So we're going to get a container, put it on the land, live in the container, and build by occupying the land. So we weren't sure if we were allowed to do.
Yeah, now you know where we're up to. So we found somewhere to live. Next project is to... Hold on. Next project is to find a car, as well as getting Toby's TRN, and then we both need an NIS, and that's our next few things lined up. So yes,
If I look miserable, it's because I am.
if I look tired, it's because I am. It's been a long day, but it's been a successful day. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Ciao.